In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop viewers from copying your Google Drive files using the simplest method available. Whether you're sharing sensitive documents or simply want to maintain control over your files, this straightforward approach will help ensure your content is shared as you intend. Let's dive into the steps to secure your files within Google Drive. Firstly, let's start by accessing your Google Drive account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive by typing drivegoogle.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the home page of your Google Drive, sign in if prompted, using your Google account credentials. This will bring up a list of all the files and folders you've saved within Google Drive. Next, identify and select the specific file you want to protect from being copied. To do this, simply locate the file within your drive and click on it. If you can't find it at a glance, you can use the search bar at the top to help locate it quickly by typing in the file name. Once you've found it, clicking on the file will highlight it, indicating that it's ready for further actions. After selecting the file, look towards the top of the Google Drive interface for the share icon, which looks like a silhouette of a person with a plus sign next to it. Click on this icon to bring up the sharing settings for your document. This step is crucial as it allows you to manage who has access to your document and what they can do with it. With the sharing settings panel open, the next thing you want to do is access the advanced sharing settings by clicking on the small settings icon located in the top right corner of the panel. This will provide you with more detailed options for managing permissions for the selected file. Now you're almost done. Look for the option that says viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print and copy. You'll want to uncheck this box. By doing this, you are disabling the ability for anyone who is just viewing or commenting on the file to copy, print or download the document. This simple step significantly enhances the security of your shared file, ensuring that it can only be viewed as you intended, without external copies being made. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively prevented unauthorized copying of your Google Drive files. Remember, controlling the distribution of your work is essential, especially with sensitive information. Ensuring that only the intended viewers have access helps maintain your privacy and security online. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps keep your files safe.